So this is a safe from our Richmond range. This is the Richmond 30K size 3 key locking safe. This particular model is 450mm high by 445mm wide and by 400mm deep. It weighs in at 31 kilograms and has an internal capacity of 39 litres. This safe is suitable for insurance purposes for storing up to £3,000 in cash or £30,000 in valuables, that'll be jewellery, etc. This safe is key operated on this particular version, but it does also come in a digital keypad version and is fitted with a high security Dormacarba lock, double bitted keys, and 2 keys are supplied. I'm going to go ahead and open the safe, turn the key, open the safe to reveal the inside. And as you can see, this particular safe has one internal shelf. The shelf is removable, but it isn't repositionable, so it's always going to be in that particular position. I'll just remove it now. That's with the shelf set aside, and you can see the support brackets for the shelf there, and we can also now see the fixing holes. These have got little caps on them, but this is how the safe is bolted down to the ground, and there's also an additional one in the rear which we can use for bolting onto a wall. As you can see, the door is very thick. It has a hardened drill resistant plate, and we've got bolt work here on the side, another one on the top, and there's a corresponding one on the bottom in the same position. To give you an indication of the internal capacity of the safe, this is a can of soda pop. Other brands are available. This happens to be my favourite, and I'll just drop that into the safe to give you an idea. It's always useful to see a sort of common object that we're all familiar with inside the safe. I've got that all the way to the back now. Now on the top shelf and to the back. Plenty of room. You'd get folders in here, A4 folders, foolscap folders, probably 4 across that way, watch boxes, jewellery boxes, plenty of room in this safe. So once again, this is our Richmond 30K size 3 key locking safe, and don't forget, we supply and we professionally install this safe for you in your home or your business. We don't use subcontractors. It will be one of us coming to install it, and we've been installing these for many years. In fact, it's decades. So please check us out on our website, which is londonsafes.co.uk, or give us a call 0208 445 0001. We're waiting to talk to you. Thanks for watching.
Free delivery and free installation. Your safe will be delivered and professionally installed by one of our own vetted employees who will arrive in an unmarked vehicle. Get in touch online or call us on 0800 711 7892.